Welcome guys, how y'all doing? We're on lunch here, just working, staying busy. For all my guys and gals who be commenting, oh, you don't conceal carry that TP9 SFX all day. You surely not working, or it's just, you're only going to carry at home or something like that. Well, I'm at work. Nice big house here we're working on. Construction life. All right. But here it is, it's 12 o'clock. Been on the job about 5 hours. And this is my work setup. But like you say, well, you don't conceal carry something that large every day. Let's just take this off. Tools. And what do you know? All day. Isn't that interesting? TP9 SFX. All day, people. You can conceal carry. It's all about your setup. You have the right belt. You have the right holster. And then getting used to carrying. Knowing how your body works. Okay, your body type can matter in some cases not. But like I say, here working, I keep my firearm on me wherever I'm at, because you never know in these days when something could happen, or whether an animal, because just like here, the beautiful community, but as you see, there are a lot of wooded areas. Some animal could come up. You know, anything. But I just wanted to put this out here for you so you can see, yes, I do carry appendix even while working. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Take care of yourselves. Be a defensive carrier. Learn how to avoid situations. If you are carrying, you have a greater responsibility than the person who is not. Your responsibility is to avoid situations. Even if someone verbally assaults you, you get away from the situation. We only carry for defensive purposes. When we're in threat of great bodily injury or in threat of our life being taken or someone else's, whether that be through someone attacking, God forbid, or whether it is an animal, some type of animal. A dog who has just bent on tearing you up, okay? So be, as John from Asp says, a sane, sober, moral, prudent person, okay? Hope you all have a blessed day. Shoot a review. Oh, and please like and subscribe for future content.